Okay, so how to make your own diffuser or inhaler, and para maka-inhale ka, the thing that I'm doing is I put drop of peppermint in this oil. Yan. This oil contains peppermint and chamomile. So let the water boil, and then then you just wash it later. Bango. And then this inhaler, this is 3-in-1. You can
So you can actually remove the lower part, so you can just like drop one.
So you can smell the aroma, and it helps you breathe and feel better. Yan.
Pwede nyo rin, pag gusto nyo, konti lang yung scent, ayan, pwede nyo siyang i-cover and then you can smell it through the hose.